Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can get a personal loan with Sofi, so let's get started. First, begin by checking your eligibility and pre-qualifying before committing. You can check if you pre-qualify online within minutes, and this only uses a soft credit pull, so it won't affect your credit score. To qualify, Sofi requires you to be a US citizen or permanent resident, at least 18 years old, with proof of steady income and a decent credit score, typically 670 or higher. After that, gather all the essential documents. Have your government-issued ID, social security number, proof of income, proof of employment, and proof of address ready. Preparing these documents in advance will shorten your application time and improve your chances of approval. Then, apply online either through the Sofi app or website. Simply select Personal Loan, log in, and begin your application. Fill in your personal information, choose your desired loan amount, and upload your documents. At this stage, you'll be able to review your offered rate with no obligation to proceed. Next, choose your loan terms and sign. You can select a repayment term between 2 to 7 years along with your preferred interest rate. Sofi even offers discounts 0.25% off if you set up autopay, and another 0.25% if you also bank with them. Once you're satisfied, review the details carefully and e-sign your agreement. Most borrowers are able to close within just a few minutes. And then comes funding. If you are approved and sign your loan documents before the cutoff time, typically 6 p.m. you may receive same-day funding directly into your account. In most cases, funds arrive within 1 business day. Finally, it's time to repay and monitor your loan. Make your monthly payments on time, as Sofi reports to credit bureaus, and this helps build your credit history. You can also pay off your loan early at any time without any prepayment penalties. A few expert tips to keep in mind. Maintaining a debt-to-income ratio under 36% can boost your chances of approval, and comparing your pre-qualified offers can help you secure the lowest APRA and the most favorable terms. Best of all, Sofi has no origination fees unless you choose an option that lowers your rate, keeping the process transparent. So, applying for a Sofi personal loan in 2025 is straightforward. First, check your eligibility, then upload your documents, review your terms, e-sign your agreement, and finally, receive your funds quickly, often the very same day. With no hidden fees and valuable discounts, Sofi is a top choice for clean and reliable medium to large personal loans. And if you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.